Hey guys, today we are going to install the curtain rod onto your headliner shelf. Super simple. Make sure you get the tools laid out ahead of time and get all your parts laid out. Make sure you have everything and kind of just make life easy diving into it. So the first step is to get our brackets mounted onto the end. You want to do a little dab of Loctite on the 1/4-20 bolt that goes in there, and then you want to make sure that the flange on this backside goes towards the center like this. Next is getting the second bracket on, same process, Loctite on your screw. But this one you need to make sure you get it clocked the right direction, that the back of these are on the same plane or they're parallel. That's so when it goes up that they're not twisted. If you have a long enough table, the easiest thing to do is a nice flat face that sits flat on the ground. If not, you can check it on a wall, or if you got a flat floor or something like that. Now you're gonna hop into your van if your headliner shelf is already installed, or if you have it out before you install it, you can do it out on a bench too. But we're gonna go hang this in place and use a Sharpie to locate the holes we need to drill. So these brackets have a little hook on the top that helps kind of lock them in place, but it also helps you when you're doing your install. So all we got to do is set this up here and make sure that it is centered where you like it, and kind of feel on the ends that you've got about the same amount of space. Once you get it centered where you like it, basically you'll just take a Sharpie, give yourself a hole in the center of that, hole in the center of the other one, and then we'll drill this out. Obviously, if you have cabinets or something installed already, it might be easier to just take your headliner shelf out entirely. They're pretty easy to unbolt in and out. So if you've got something that makes drilling those other holes or getting it bolted up difficult, you might try just taking the headliner shelf out altogether. Once you have both your holes drilled and it's situated where you like it, grab your 1/4-20 flat washer and nylock. You'll go just the screw through there, and then washer and nylock on the backside. Obviously, you can use the traditional shower curtain style, get some of these hooks and just something from your local Fred Meyer or something. We just grabbed this one real quick for the video, but also if you get a curtain that has like that loop sewn into the top of that, you can just slide it over top of this. It'd obviously be better to do it during the assembly before you put the bracket on, but you can most often get access to this end screw here if you need to take it back apart, feed your curtain on it, and put it back together. Also works. That's it. That's the curtain rod install on your headliner shelf. Really straightforward. If you do have questions though, or something we didn't cover, something's unique about your setup, call us at customer service, and we're happy to dive through it with you guys.